So I hope guys clear that as for my definition, you see that the class is present in this world but not exist. To make it exist, you have to create an object. So here I've given you the point of view, guys. So at the end, what I want to tell you is, when you are on a journey, you have to see from all the direction. Correct? Simple. If you have the problem, don't stop yourself to find. How should I find the more solution? That's the question. The answer is to improve this efficiency and use this is the strongest reason why you have to find out more than one solution and then check which solution help you to improve the efficiency and reduce the time. That is the whole concept. Same thing when you are on a journey, same thing you have to do with the same guys. Like you have to find out which direction is good for you, and same rule we are going to apply where. So hope I'm getting now, which I talk about that you have the the functionality and the variable and the property. There are one more thing is there, you will find it. You'll see that thing. So I'm clear with this class and object. You got the functions and the method. We'll see that the functions and the method and the property. Okay, we'll see that one. We are not going to follow the man and woman right now. We are going to do a lot of things in this. Just to explain you the object-oriented programming, guys, I'm using the concept of real world, because the object-oriented programming, as Nitin also pointed, that is connected with the real world. Yes, it's connected with the real world. Okay. So as for my knowledge, the thing which you can do on hard copy, that thing you can do it on software, and that is possible with the help of the object-oriented concept. So keep in your mind, object-oriented is the concept behind your today's world programming. Before that, there was a lot of concept was there, but slowly they have improved and they found it the best one, that object-oriented programming to fulfill a real-world example. So they came with the standard. That's for object-oriented programming. I hope I'm clear with this. Coming to the next point, what other thing you have it in this? You have the function, variable, and the property, right? Before going ahead, what is program? Or yes, tell me, what is programming? Sorry, what is program and what is software?
Program is a set of instructions to be executed.
Program is set of instructions.
It's a bunch of actions performed simultaneously to run a program.
Don't stop until you find a way.
Dedicate yourself to your dream. All you have to do is believe in yourself. Don't quit. Don't stop. Keep going till you reach